Airborne from skies of blue, in the door coming, make me jump and take your clothes today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're going to be talking about knives from Off-Grid Knives. Now, we have done a video on this particular knife a while ago, and this is the Caiman XL, and it's currently going for $79 on the Off-Grid Knives website. And it is a really unique design, and I could tell you that I was very, very impressed with their ball bearing system. But we're not here to talk about this knife today. We are here to talk about this knife. And this was recently released, and it's also coming in at $97. This is the Caiman XXL Blackout. So I just picked this up. So I wanted to share this with you. There you go. Some stickers. Yeah, we're not going to look at that. But here is the box. And let's see if I can figure out how to open this box. Here we go. At least you know here on Have a Knife Day we do our own stunts. That's right. Whoa. Slippery box. So, this is their fixed blade. And I have been known to wear a fixed blade around town. It's good that we have a knife here. There we go. There it is. Okay, so here it is. Let's take a look at its sheath and its mounting. So you can see that it has a snap and Velcro so that you can have an ease of removal. And I do like the swells here because it helps you take the knife out of the sheath. So check that out. And let's do a little side-by-side comparison between the XL and the double XL. Oh, that's nice. So this is the first time I've opened it up, of course. Cryogenic D2. Wow, that's a good handful of a knife right there, my friends. And there it is. So let's learn a little bit more about the Caiman XXL Blackout. The newest fixed blade by Off-Grid Knives is here. The Caiman XXL is our largest fixed blade we've ever made. A mean and an intimidating 7-inch Bowie blade, or Bowie, all depends on how you like to say it. The blade shape comes from our Caiman EDC and Caiman XL folding knives. After hearing tons of requests that this Bowie blade shape should be a fixed blade knife, we made it happen. The Caiman XXL will impress any knife enthusiast. It's a beautiful beast and means business. We use our tried and true Cryogenic D2 full tang blade steel and slightly textured G10. The handle is very ergonomic and comfortable. I can contest to that. Easily fitting large to extra large hands with or without gloves. Included is a custom Kydex sheath with our OG Low Pro belt attachment, keeping your XXL knife lower on your hip for comfortable all-day carry. This knife is perfect for camping, hunting, survival, and self-defense. And how do we know? It's because they say so. That's right. The field-tested Cryo D2 is cryogenically treated, adding extra corrosion resistance, toughness, edge retention, and wear resistance. We also use it in our Tracker X2 Alpha Dog and Ridgeback fixed blades, which has proven to be a perfect workhorse steel and ideal for outdoor work. With a HRC of 61, your XXL blade will perform at a high level for a long period of time without the need to sharpen, which is really important. The spine has a chamfered edge and aggressive jimping for confident non-slip cutting. This 7-inch blade comes to a very thin edge and a vicious point that will cut and pierce with ease right out of the box. That is a really cool looking blade. The custom weatherproof Kydex holds the Caiman XXL with excellent security. It will snap in with authority. Let's go ahead and put that to the test. That sounds like authority to me. That's right. No movement, no rattle. Your blade is safe and secure when you're on the move. We used our OG Low Pro belt clip once again. The Velcro nylon button lock design easily attaches to your belt without the need to unloop your belt. Easy on, easy off. So, the best use: hunting, camping, survival, military. Full length in inches, 12.1, weighing in at 15.5 ounces. Blade length is 7 inches. OEM is Taiwan. Collection, base camp collection. This is a fixed knife mechanism. That's right, there's no folding to this baby. And blade length in inches, 7-inch blade. Blade width is 2 inches. Blade thickness is 4 millimeter. Blade hardness HRC 61. Blade material Cryo D2. Blade style Bowie. Blade color black with a black wash finish. Blade edge is plain. Handle length in inches is 5 inches. Handle color black. Handle material G10. Sheath material and color is Kydex and black. When I finally noticed that this was available, I immediately jumped upon it. I ordered it. I do believe I ordered this around about Black Friday, Thanksgiving time. And since I am a very big fan of the folding, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to get the fix. And I am really appreciating how well this fits in the hand, and it does have a lanyard hole, of course. And once again, that is a lot of authority. No clinkety clank, no rattle, nice and fit, and of course, it pops out very quickly. I was really impressed with what they gave us with the XL, especially with their ceramic bearing. That pop and snap. So, do you own any off-grid knives? Having seen this, do you think that you could add this to your collection? Would you feel comfortable going out to a campsite? If you're in the military, do you think you would want to put this on your gear? Definitely an eye catcher, if you know what I'm saying. But I like it a lot. What more can I say? Well, thank you so much for spending time here today. It's always a good time to share a great knife with you here on Have a Knife Day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We do have our Etsy store, so if you want to get yourself a Don't Tread on Me shirt or a Have a Knife Day shirt, we have some stickers available also. Please do check out all the stuff in descriptions. I'm going to link the video to this one in particular in the descriptions too. All right, everyone, thank you so much. And as always, have a knife day.
We will and parachute all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. Coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Look up or we'll be gone. Pouring our jet into the dawn. And station time to to fight them all.